rushing off to work. I'm late, but okay, let's just quickly do this. So I got two new perfumes. For those of you that don't know, I am a perfume junkie. Just maybe one day I will show you guys my collection. But for now, let's unbox these two new ones that I got. So it's by a brand called Gimbal by Oma. So I got her two scents, and then this is what it looks like. So this is Seduction and this is Passion. So they're both 100 ml perfumes. So this is Passion and this is Seduction. So I think that, let's just open both of them. So I think that I might wear the Seduction to work this morning. Do with that information what you will. Okay. Alright, so this is what the bottle looks like. So this is the Passion. So let's just see what it smells like. Okay, it smells nice, but for someone like me that doesn't like female perfumes, quote and unquote, this is actually nice. Let's see what the Seduction smells like. Somebody sound go find it. Don't be waiting already. Okay, and this is what the Seduction looks like. Let's see. Okay, I'm definitely biased to this one. I like Seduction more. So we're gonna be using Seduction this morning. Just ignore the places I'm about to spray perfume on my body, but it's okay, you guys. So, yes, guys, maybe when I'm back from work today, I will show you guys what my perfume collection looks like. But yeah, I just added these two new bottles, and yeah, the person that owns the brand is also a YouTuber. Probably link her somewhere. But yeah, we got by Omar, and I got both of them for 15k each. So Passion goes for 15k, Seduction goes for 15k, and yes, it's a Nigerian brand. Somebody song. You guys, I'm going to work. Bye bye. I finally decided to switch up my room. So this is what it looked like before, and then during, and then after. In case you're wondering what my favorite color is, of course it's black. I mean, like, there's no need to be guessing or be thinking. My favorite color is black, and again, my mother is coming for me in this video, Lord God. But yes, this is what my room looks like at the moment. I feel like I'll still put some finishing touches, but for now, money I've spent is enough. It's okay like this. Hi guys, so my gimbal arrived today. I ordered a gimbal from DJI. So hold on, what did I even order? Let's see. Okay, yes, I ordered the DJI OM5. But let me just go to the stores, confirm what I actually ordered, because like, I've been so excited that this thing's come. Okay, it's a drone. I thought that they released another DJI after me. I've ordered the version that I thought was the newest on the store. Okay. I'm quite excited. I'm very excited because I'm actually quite tired at the moment. Just came out from the office. I should actually like not unbox this thing right now, but yeah, I'm gonna unbox it. So let's see. I'm trying to look for what the OM means, and for some reason I can't find it. M M M M You guys, I'll look for what OM means and put it in this video. But yes, I ordered DJI OM5. Basically, it's a, why am I like this? Like, really, why am I like this? You guys, it's basically, I don't want to call it a tripod, but it's a video stabilizer. You will see. It's quite well with your brain, but yes, let's get to unboxing it. Let's just unbox it. So I ordered from store directly and it was $171.72. So, and then I shipped through Hiroshi and it gets yum. So basically, this is going to make outdoor shooting a breeze for me. Let's see what's inside. My right side. Okay. This is what it looks like. So it comes in packaging like this. See. Yes, it is a smartphone stabilizer. God, English is hard, but okay. You guys get the gift. You know what I was trying to say. You know what I was trying to say. Okay, yeah, calm down. I'm very. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Do you see what just happened? I'm supposed to open it here. Okay. So it comes with these are papers and papers, manual. That's what's inside here. Yes! See my baby! See my baby! See my baby! Okay. I mean, cut the excitement. So it comes with a rope, charging cord. What is this? What is this? Okay, this is called a, I'll do it. Zoom in. It's called a riser pad. Don't know what that is. Don't know. And it, yes, I don't know what I was about to say. Because it's a tiny tripod. So yeah, it's like everything. I want to spin it. Ignore me, please. Ignore me, please, please. Okay, and then it comes with a pouch. And the phone holder. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna set this bad boy up. I have to download the app so that I can set it up. There's a barcode for me to download the app, or I just go to the Apple Store and look for the DJI Mimo, and then I set it up. And yes, guys, we create content. Guys, my money is going. My money is going. But okay, for the love of what I do, I'm gonna do it. But yeah, it's very like portable, and like it has like a lot of modes and a lot of things that you can do. English is failing me this night because my brain is actually tired. But okay, it what my DJ looks like. And yeah. So if I want it longer, this it. I've attached tripod. This it. And we can fly. Okay, you guys. That's it for this part. I've unboxed my DJI. So I'll set it up and let you guys know how it works, how it functions, how this bad boy works. So yeah. Good night. Okay. Hi guys, good morning. Yes, it is 11:31. I'm working from home today, so that's why I still look like a homeless child. And I'm literally just coming out of my room for the first time today. That's why. Also, everywhere is still dark. Okay, lights on. So, you guys, first things first. I bought a gimbal that's supposed to help me film, especially when I'm on the go. You guys, I haven't figured out how to use it, and I think it's just very embarrassing to myself. So, I will dedicate a day probably and figure out how to use it. But for now, I want to make breakfast because I'm hungry. Child of God hungry. It's 11:31 and I'm just having breakfast. I've been working since morning. I haven't showered. Neither have I brushed. But that's not quite important. I just need food to go down my stomach. So I think that I'm going to have noodles and egg. There's cereal, but no, it has cereal because to further notice, I'm staying away from cereal because for some reason yesterday I decided to test whether I'm actually lactose intolerant or not. Let's just say that I've proven that I am lactose intolerant because the quantity of milk that I had yesterday, yes, I'm still in pain. My stomach is still in a lot of pain. So staying away from cereal and regular milk and back to my lactose free milk. I will show you guys what my lactose free milk looks like. I think I've mentioned it on here before. I use the Hollandia Easy to Digest lactose free milk, and you can get that Ibano. And I think Spa too sometimes. I haven't seen it anywhere else. I've been trying to get the Oatly, the barista one. Dima recommended it, but you guys, every time I go to Hartley's, they don't have it. Somebody found a different one for me, but it wasn't like that type I was looking for exactly. So for now, the Hollandian one. But yeah, I'm gonna make noodles and egg so that my stomach can stop crying and I can get back to work. So I'm quite embarrassed for myself that I cannot use my gimbal because I just tried to use it now and LOL, it made a mockery of me. So I'll just find time and figure out how I'm supposed to use this. I know it's probably not difficult. Then again, I haven't read the manual because we Nigerians don't read manuals. So yeah, that's that about that. Let's get to making my videos.
Like you, these are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping
You guys, this is how you know that my hunger was real. I made 2 packets of Indomie and I finished 2 of them.
with 2 eggs. I'm not even sure why I did. Excuse me. I'm not sure why I did 2 eggs because I usually do just one with 2 packets of Indomie, and it's the small one, not even the super pack or the. I won't be thinking about doing the hungry man size, right? But I finished it. Yeah, hunger is a very bad thing. But yeah, continue work for the moment, and I'll see you guys later.
Okay, so we finally went to see Eternals. I feel like it was a really great movie. Then been passing Burger King for like the longest time on my way back from the office. Shasha finally went there, and then also went to King Lace. What flavors of ice cream did I get again? I think it was cherry and of course vanilla. I'm like a vanilla girl. No matter the amount of flavors I get, I must always get vanilla flavored ice cream. And yes, you guys, Christmas is in the air. That's it from me, guys. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Love you guys.
I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.